Developing tonight at 6, Christus St. Elizabeth will soon have more muscle in their trauma department. 6 more nurses have joined the Christus Trauma 1 team. Now, these nurses focus on rapid emergency responses when time is critical. It's one way these first responders are continuing to put Southeast Texas first. Good evening, I'm Cladra Rhodes.
I'm Jordan Williams. 12 News reporter Cameron Burchett visited the hospital today to learn more about why these nurses are so critical.
I'm at Christus St. Elizabeth, where the need for Trauma 1 nurses continues to grow. So their Trauma 1 team is expanding to better serve Southeast Texas families during emergencies.
Traumas come at any time of the day from literally 12 a.m. to 12 p.m.
The hospital says when it comes to the difference between life and death, a newly assembled team of Trauma 1 nurses are there to expedite emergency responses.
My role is the primary nurse. I'm documenting most of the time, listening for orders, putting in orders, making sure the flow of the trauma is maintained.
Registered nurse Karen Fontenot has been on the team for a year now. She says the experience has helped her grow.
We had to go through an interview process with the trauma surgeons and some of the other staff that work in trauma services and explain why we wanted to be a trauma nurse.
Recently, 6 more nurses were accepted onto the team. Now, a total of 18 nurses tend to patients with gunshots, stab wounds, and other serious injuries.
So we created this team so we could standardize the care that we're giving to these patients and also create mentorship throughout our department.
Dana Hebert, the clinical director of the ER, says this team of nurses helps cut out the middleman when time is critical and there's a lot of patients.
And we funnel anywhere from 150 to 160 patients through a day.
Both women say they feel called to their roles in the emergency room.
It takes both sides to create this team and make this team successful, and they're very successful.
Being able to help people out in their worst moment and just to be calm for them when they are not calm, or even their families, is always nice to have.
Christus officials tell us there's already future plans to expand the Trauma 1 team to meet the need during emergencies. In Beaumont, Cameron Burchett, 12 News.